Today we're going to focus again on pain and our response to it. And I'm going to read another section from this book, A Year to Live, by Stephen Levine. And let's begin. An understanding of our reactions to physical pain offers considerable insight into our attitude toward life in general. Pain stimulates our grief. It brings to the surface long-suppressed disquietude and unfinished business. But it is easier said than done to let go of the suffering around pain. Pain is a given in life. If you have a body, if you have a mind, there will be pain. However, suffering is a reaction rather than a response to mental and physical discomfort. If you are hanging a picture in your living room and you accidentally hit your thumb with a hammer, what would be your immediate reaction? Would you sit down a moment with the pain, soften around it, and send a merciful awareness into it? Or would you do what you have so adroitly learned to do, send anger and even hatred into your pain, tighten around it, increase its discomfort and a sense of helplessness, and never take it to heart? If there is a single definition of healing, it is to enter with mercy and awareness those pains, mental and physical, from which we have withdrawn in judgment and dismay. So with that, I invite you to find the quietish place so we can meditate together. And you can sit down, you can lie down, you can stand. And let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and establish a fixed point with me by taking 3 deep breaths. Just putting your mind in one place with these breaths. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Now I'm sure you're aware of the pain that's in your body. We're not going to focus on it now. Instead, we're going to focus on the heart. And maybe you want to put your hand in the middle of your chest, where your heart is, and feel a sense of love. Bring loving awareness to yourself, to your heart. Maybe you can feel the warmth of your hand. Feel it deeply. Breathe into your chest. Nurture yourself. Nurture your body. And if your mind drifts away, just gently come back. Feeling the love May you not feel broken, shattered, disconnected, but instead feel wholeness, like you're complete. May you feel safe and without fear. It doesn't mean fear's not there. And at the same time, I invite you to be open to the idea of being safe and secure. We're softening the edges of our pain. By focusing on pleasant thoughts. May you be happy, truly happy, even if you haven't been happy in a long, long time. May you be happy. May you experience pleasant sensations, pleasure. May you be aware of them when they happen. May you experience joy. Just softening the edges of your pain. Breathing into it. Letting go of the judgments of anything you think you may have done to cause the pain, or someone else might have done. I just invite you, just for the meditation, I'm not saying you need to let go of this forever. Just let go of it for a couple minutes here. Just release. We've, had that tight fist of pain and anger or frustration that you hit your thumb with a hammer, right? Why was I so stupid? And just feel in the anger at yourself. Just let it go. I know the pain is pulsing. Your thumb is, the thumb is just like, it's so painful. And at the same time, it's like, okay, I'm here. I'm breathing. It really hurts. We're just slowing it down, trying to open the hand a little bit, trying to loosen up, soften the edges. Because when we tighten, that pain gets that much worse. Love yourself. When we tighten around our pain, it also limits our view. We don't see other people as deeply. It's hard for us to be empathetic. This is why it's so important to nurture ourselves. It's not just about us. It's about how we interact with the world and those around us. It is an exercise in, it's an offering to the world to be to give love to ourselves so that we can love others more deeply. I just want to thank you for meditating with me today. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace.